Look, it's Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
Hello.
Look behind you. Oh no, Kevin, you don't want to eat that. There's a surprise in there. Kevin is so excited to see what's inside the hamburger. First, we take the bun off. And we have Donald the Duck. Oh no, evil minion! You can't eat that. There's a surprise in there. Yeah, you like surprises? Do you want to see what's inside? Okay, let's go find out. Let's see what's inside the hot dog. Take the ketchup off. Then the hot dog. Look, it's Goofy! Silly, silly Goofy. Oh, look! There's Bob! Hey, Bob! I don't think you heard me. On the count of 1, 2, 3, can we all say, Bob? 1, 2, 3. Bob!
What?
Oh, look, he heard us! Hi, Bob!
Hello.
Look what's behind you! That's right, Bob. You don't want to drink that because there's a surprise inside there. Do you want to see what it is?
Yay!
I wonder what's inside the drink. First, we take the straw out. Then we take the lid off. It's Minnie Mouse! Yay! Look at her cute pink bow.
I need a dress that can impress.
Oh, look, it's Stuart. Hi, Stuart. Can you say hi to everyone?
Oh, hello.
Look behind you.
Pastel. Oh, hello, Papagena.
Oh no, Stuart, you don't want to eat that. There's a surprise in there. Do you want to see what it is? Stuart is so excited to see what's inside the French fries. We're gonna take them out. Oh look, I think that's Mickey. It is! Mickey!
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse.
Did you guys have fun? Cause I sure did. And look, the Minions even made some new friends. And make sure to subscribe to be our friend too. And join us on more fun adventures. Bye guys!